In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the power supply of your HP DeskJet 2700 series printer. So if you look under the printer, that is actually the power supply unit. So we just have to remove and replace it. For that, you need a Phillips screwdriver T10. There are two screws here. You just have to unscrew them. That's the one, that's the second, and then just lift it up and then you can just take it out. So if this unit is not working, you just have to replace it with the new one. And to unplug, just remove this plug here. So it has a part number and you can just order same part number, and once you get it, you just have to install it here. So take the new power unit, connect it with the wire. Now place it in the box, and the charging side or connection side should be facing in this section like this. And now you just have to place it here and then put those screws, both of them here, one by one. So that is here. So it should settle itself, and that's everything. So let's check the power supply if it's working now. Plug in the power cable. So we can see the power light is showing up here. So this way we can fix the printer with the faulty power supply unit. Thanks for watching.